Hello everyone, so I just got back from 30-minute walk. Yes, approximately 30 to 35 minutes. And now I will take shower and make breakfast. And for breakfast today I am making bharma karele. And before walk I soaked these seeds because they had a lot of salt. I don't know why they had put so much salt, so that is why I put them in water so the salt would go down, since it's morning and I don't want to eat something too salty. And now let's get freshen up and make breakfast, and let's get ready for the day. I hope there is something interesting that I can show you today in my vlog, although I will keep it simple, like 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Also because I don't have anything interesting to show you. So I had my breakfast and I put on this hoodie because it's too chilly outside. And now let's finish some work. So this is the suit I'm going to stitch. Half of it I stitched yesterday, and today no matter what I have to finish this task. But also since morning there is no electricity, so I had to wait if it would come or not. So naturally I got many reasons to procrastinate or delay my work, but today I had decided that I will finish all the tasks that I had decided. Let's see. As I sat down for stitching, the power went off again and now it's come again. Now it will take only 30 minutes to finish this work. So I hope the electricity supports me. Oh my god! Look who is here! Thank god my camera is on, so that I can record it naturally. I don't have to make fake script for it. तुम क्या लाए सामान? इसमें क्या है बैग में? बार बोर्ड में? अच्छा सीमेंट है. Okay.
अंबुजा सीमेंट.
Yes.
बांगर सीमेंट.
Because there will be something interesting in my today's vlog. You know what? In today's vlog I will try to speak most of the time in English. मैंने पता क्या सोचा? I thought that why you bring आटा? नहीं, आटा नहीं चाहिए. Oh my god, the electricity went off again. यार, I told him that come to my place and you can take shower here because there is no electricity at my maiden home. But same problem is everywhere, you know. And I got frustrated. क्योंकि यार 4-5 बारी होई बैठे थे, मैं बैठी थी ना, तो सोच ही नहीं सकना. मैं जरा सिलाई लाई फिर लाइट चली, जरा सिलाई लाई फिर लाइट चली. Now where is my English? Whenever someone come from my home, they bring me a lot of things, and look at this milk, too costly, but I get it free. Yes. You want money? Okay. I will pay you 40 rupees liter. You know, because I am your sister. My thoughts are also same, that in business and in professional work there is no room for friendship, relationships, है ना?
Anything. Business is business.
ये मेरी कंघी है, by the way.
इतनी पहनी है, सी लकड़ी है.
You can't use it.
I'm using it.
Look at my Farshi salwar, and I don't know whether it will look good on me, and I am 100% sure that he will make fun of it. It will have बड़े बड़े पोंचे, and you will say it is like बुड्ढों का पजामा. ये पता है तुम फॉर्म मजाक बनाना इतना. I will delay this work. I will do this later. I put on ढेर सारी sunscreen, and now we will start our work. And thank God I will have some interesting content for my vlog. Not interesting, but something different.
ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੇਫਟੀ ਨਾ ਭਜਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ. पकड़ी नहीं, मैं डबल के ऊपर चल
आई एम सो बचत वाली लड़की. Will make dumbbell. Not I, but he. See, the weather is so beautiful and the view, the greenery, everything is so scenic. Now we will search for our saman, the things that we need to make dumbbells, the dabba, the rod, reta bajri we have a lot. वो है प्लास्टिक की पाइप भी है, उसको भी ले आ. We have arranged all these essentials that we need to make dumbbells. There are some things that we don't have, like लोहा काटने वाली आरी. So first of all we will go to shop, buy that small आरी and also डिपो का सामान. I took my झोला again to bring डिपो का राशन. हूँ थोड़ा घटिया दाना एक्स्ट्रा मैं मंगनी नहीं. वी फॉरगॉट टू टेक हमारा दिस आरी वाला ब्लेड जो कि हमने ख़रीदा है ओनली फॉर 10 रुपीज़. एंड रेन हैज़ स्टार्टेड. सी this is my home sweet home. Nowadays the weather of Himachal is like my mood swings. Le. Okay, what we call belcha in English? Big spatula. I guess this is बदतमीज. Look at his ganda reaction. छी. ये हाथ बड़ो यंदा इधर रखिया. You have strong and sturdy feet here.
अंग्रेजी में लोग.
अच्छा, you are making fun of me.
Yes,
and you
I am
talk
making.
in English in front of camera. Talk.
मैं ए तो नहीं बोलना है.
Okay.
कुछ
Now
भी
you
होता.
will talk each and every word in English.
तो कुछ भी होता मैं एंड ये तो नहीं बोलना. चले बनी क्या?
ये तो बड़ा बेजान है.
मित्र.
So the half of work is done. And now we have to wait for 6 to 7 hours. So everybody, I just finished my farshi salad and I'm feeling frustrated and irritated because of this bade ponche, and I don't know whether it will turn out to be good or it will look funny. Dekho, my dumbbells are ready. Almost ready, yes.
ऑलमोस्ट खेल तो ये काल पे चुकने लगेगा.
हाँ.
नहीं 3 दिन.
It will take maybe 3 to 4 days.
3 days minimum.
Yes. So everyone, that's it for today. We are going for a short walk and to get some bread in breakfast. Tomorrow I am going to make sandwich for him.
For me.
Yes.
Privilege.
And today I am feeling a bit satisfied because the task I had decided, I finished all of them and I am feeling relaxed. I can't express in words. So from tomorrow onwards I will do some other work. Let's see. So if you liked this vlog, then do let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also don't forget to comment. And also pardon my broken English. Anything you want to say?
Bye bye.